having a wonderful day. Today I wanted to do a review on this Sanmersen piano mat that was sent to me by an Amazon seller. Now it's non-woven fabric, requires 3 or 4 AA batteries, has 8 selectable animal sounds, musical instrument sounds, volume control, touch sensitive keys. It's foldable and washable, and 1 key, 1 note. You can have a screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and 3 or 4 batteries. Let me pull it out here. And this here. There's an on-off switch right here. You can turn it on. Let's hit the demo button. This controls your volume. So does this. One key, 1 note button. Play. So there are 8 instruments along the top here, and they each make their own individual sound. Piano. Oh, let's see. Okay, so if you hit the play button, each of the instruments will actually play a song, but the 1 note button will only play 1 note. So, okay, so now we're gonna hit play again. And I'm gonna hit the violin there. Xylophone. And I love how it says do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi. So also what's really cool is here, there's a record button. So you can play a little tune, make up something. Playback. That's really cool, it really works. So now that we've kind of explored what all the options are on here, I'm going to show this to my kids and see what they think of it. What do you think?
Good.
There you go. You like it?
Drop it.
It's a piano. So it's cool. They actually have another piano from M. Sanmersen also. The Beautiful Melodies piano. And I did a review on that a while back. And they really like that a lot too. So this is from the same company. There you go, look. What do you think? Piano keys?
You gotta feel the keys, Jameson.
Keys?
Keys.
Keys?
Keys.
Oh, the key one.
You dancing? Thank you so much for watching, friends. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe below. And keep in mind that if you leave this on, this will give you a little warning signal, like doo-doo-doo. And so it'll remind you to turn it off.